Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put a video on top of another video in CapCut. So here I've already add the background video, and here it's like a 5 seconds long, and I want to add another video on top of it. So what you guys can do is you can just click on overlay and click on add overlay and choose the video that you want to add. For example, I want to add this video right here. Click on add, and here I'm going to cut it to adjust the duration of the video, and you can resize the top video into whichever size you like. Just pinch your screen like this, and then you can also mute the video like this, and then you can also use splice like this to adjust the video how you'll make the video looks like this. But if you're not going to splice, just click on normal and then click on the check icon, and you can also add animations into it. For example, like this one's right here, or you can also enlarge it, use the enlarge. Okay, like so. I'm going to choose this, and then you can also adjust the speed, and you can also cut out or remove the background, but I'm going to go just like that, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that is how you can put a video on top of another video in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.